Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today it's August the 3rd, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. It's been a while since we did our video for Ethereum and our price prediction. The last time it was a thumbnail titled that Ethereum is undervalued massively. And we did that video on the 26th of July. And we wanted to break in and give you all an update on how the market in Ethereum has been trading thus far. But before I get started, if you appreciate the content that we are delivering to you, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and as well like and share these videos across the YouTube platform so that everyone else can see and be transparent of our predictions prior to the market actually doing it the unconfusing way. If you want more information about the other altcoins that we cover and you're interested in accumulating as many Bitcoin as you possibly can through trading, then definitely join us at our website at HueFinancial.com. The link will be in the description of the video. Now, Ethereum paired against the dollar. You all can tell that we were looking for this market in Ethereum to continue to move higher. And since we've done our video, the market in Ethereum has not done it. But overall, we have been holding this consolidational trading range in the market for Ethereum to where $200 is the support price and the resistance area is still around $230, maybe $235. So what we can do is that we can extend out our price target and we can see precisely how much in the profit we are in right now in Ethereum. Let's move this down a little bit further. So right now, about 2% profit into the market if we were to exit out the trade in Ethereum. Okay. At the high of today's bar would have been in around 4.25% profit in the market for Ethereum. Now, what we're going to do in this particular trade is that we're going to keep the market ongoing to see a continuation to move higher in Ethereum. And don't forget that you are not in a loss position until you get out the market. Okay, so we just did a video for like Cardano and pretty much Ethereum is giving us the same depiction. We're trading in a range. Not a lot is going on in the market for Ethereum as well. Actually, what I'm getting on the 3-hour bars is still so many cases of some weakness. So we may want to take that profit off the table that we have in the market right now. So it's about 1.92%. So let's just go ahead and take that off the table. Always good to leave a trade in a profitable position. And let's talk about what's going on in the market for Ethereum. I mean, you can clearly see here that the market in Ethereum is coming across some resistance at this particular level. $224. It's been numerous opportunities for this market in Ethereum to break above it, and we're not doing that just yet. So right now, at least in this near term, I'm talking about over the next couple of hours, this market in Ethereum is weak. Okay, so we need to project where the market needs to hold support in order for us to break above that $224 price. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to create a short-term movement lower for Ethereum. Now, I'm not saying that this is a true bearish movement in this coin, but rather we want to find where support has to be at in this market for Ethereum. And you can clearly see here that this current trend that we're in is higher. Okay, the market has been making higher lows in its space. So ultimately, the market in Ethereum cannot break this section right here. As long as we trade around this particular area for Ethereum, the prospect of this coin moving higher is still there. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to create this area for the movement to the downside for Ethereum, and we're going to have a price target in the market for Ethereum ultimately around $212. So I'm not forecasting that's going to go that low, but rather our TP price would be $220 all the way down to $218. Okay, $220 to $218 is where we would take profit if we see continual weakness coming into the market for Ethereum. Okay, but we may see strength come in along that ascending line that we got drawn on our chart. If that's it, then we won't take profit. We'll go ahead and let the trade continue to move on and break above that $224 price. But this is the current plan right now in Ethereum. So our expectations in the short term to see what the market is going to do on the 1 hour time frame. Now, what do you think? Do you think Ethereum is going to continue to hold this consolidational range? Do you think we're going to break out above that resistance area of 224, or do you think we're going to break below this ascending line that we just created? Definitely would like to know your thoughts, your opinions about Ethereum and the way it's going to trade. Leave us a comment in the comment section of this video as well. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to y'all later.